Hello guys, I welcome you to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how even a newbie, somebody that just started trading today, can make a lot of money on daily basis. Okay, so the first thing for you to do is for you to get this particular arrow stochastic RSI. Okay, and when you get it, you set it to this form, which is 1414. Okay, and for you to be able to do that, you need to come to this place where you see setting here. Okay, this is where it is setting. So once you have clicked there, you get this information. Okay, so this is it. So you come over to this indicator, this place where you see indicator. That is where you can actually get those indicator. Okay, so now the first thing, another thing for you to do is to get this particular RSI. Okay, and you just allow it to be at this particular 14. Okay, so the third thing for you to get is Gaban. Okay, Gaban will always be at, once you have clicked it, is always at 20/2. Okay, so and how can you make money from this particular trade? Okay, so whenever you see this particular stochastic RSI over here, okay, once you have seen this stochastic, the number is at 99,900 over here. It means, look at where I'm talking about. Let me circle it for you here. Okay, here, this place you just see now. Once ever you see this place at 9,900, it means that you are ready to do what? To sell. You just need to sell. Okay, it means that the market have gone up. Okay, that is overbought and is ready to bounce back. So sometimes you will see this particular stochastic RSI at 0. Okay, once you see 0, it is a buy signal. Okay, and I need to make sure you understand this. Whenever you see this particular stochastic RSI at 0, it will always cross this Bollinger Band. Yes, this is just something like this. Something like this. Okay, let me clear this so you can see clearly. Just like, take a look at this. Whenever the time this particular stochastic RSI is at 0, okay, that is when this particular thing happened here. This particular candlestick cross down over bought. Okay, remember, when it close any of this line, if it goes up, that is overbought. If it goes down, that is oversold. So once you see that it have crossed this particular line, it is a signal for you to buy, and by that time, this stochastic RSI, if it is at the top, it means that the market is at overbought. That is, as you can see here, you can see it's at 98 and it's actually about to cross this line. Okay, you can see it here that what I'm telling you, it took me a very long time to be able to understand all these signals. Okay, very soon now you will see it will cross this line and immediately cross this line, and you can see over here is at 98.35. Okay, so that will be a very big good signal for me to do what? To sell. Whether the market is in deep or not in the, what I need to do is for me to do what? To sell. And whenever I see this stochastic also at 100, okay, I will at 0 and it have crossed this line, it simply signifies for me to do what? To buy. Okay, so most of the times you can just buy from the spot market, because using leverage, I don't use leverage because it's very dangerous for you to use leverage. Okay, so let's see a scenario where all these things happen. Okay, a very similar place where all these things took place. Okay, let's see if what I'm saying is actual truth. So let's move this particular from here. Okay, so this place is 1 oversold across the line, and it should be at 0, so it is a sell. So you can see it just went down straight, very straight. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now let's move again and see. So this is also another of it. This is 2. Over here you can see immediately cross the line. Here should be at 0, and it now oversold, and it will return back. Okay, so you can see it cross the line here again, and over here again. Let's take a look at here. You can see it still happen here, okay, still happen here. All these places you can actually see that this thing is actually happening. Okay, this is a big oversold, so it will also be at 0 once you see any coin at 0. Now let's take a look at other coin. Let's take a look at over top losers. Okay, so this particular one is at 29. Okay, when this particular coin goes to 0, going down, and it goes to 0, make sure you are in a 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame is the only time frame that I support you trading this kind of trade. Okay, so you can see this one is at 29. Okay, and let's take a look at other coins like if you have not joined my VIP group, make sure you join, because this particular update I easily give it out on in my VIP group when a particular coin is ripe for buying or selling, so you can make a lot of money. So this particular one was also if you take a look at here, it have also crossed the line. Okay, it has also crossed the line. Take a look at here, you see. So Trump is about to sell. Trump is about to go to $7, $8, $9. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I will not buy. Remember, I will not buy because it has crossed the line. Okay, it has crossed the line. I will not do that. What I will wait for is for this particular place to hit. Let me show you. For this particular place to hit 100. 100 is oversold. It's saying that this particular coin is due for reversal, is actually due for reversal. So, and I believe that when it was at this particular place, because this is the height of it, I believe that by that time here it should be around 9900. So I will only take a trade from 9900 and 0 or 1. If it is not 0 1, it will be 100 or 99. Okay, so that is a good signal for me to enter a trade. Okay, so and I think I want to look for a coin that should be at that particular level of 0 or 100 to see if I will buy or sell that coin. Okay, this particular type of trade, don't take it. Okay, if you are just starting, please don't take this trade, because if you take a look at this stochastic RSI, you see it is still at 39, and it have gone across this boundary. But you would also take a look at here, you see that this particular Bollinger Band is following this candlestick. Yes, take a look at it. The candles, the line is following. You can see there is a line inside here. Now if you take a look at it properly, you see the line is also following the candlestick. So this is not actually the type of thing I'm talking about. Okay, so from my research right now, I have also researched about 30 something to 40 coins, and I find out that this particular beam is actually the one at the proper way to a watch list. Okay, this particular beam and Trump coin is actually the one to look after. Okay, these two coin, because these two coin are the one at 96, 97, 98. Okay, 97, 98, 95, and they have actually crossed this Bollinger Band. Okay, and also the RSI is also signaling a downtrend. So what actually happened is that I find out that when this particular coin was at this top, it was actually showing 99 point something. That was a very good place. So within the days, when you make sure you join my VIP group, because when I find these signals, I'm sending it straight to my VIP class. Okay, and once you have make a research for the day, you can make a research 3 to 4 times in a day to find out a coin that has this particular signal, this particular sign before you enter into the market. Okay, so this is the things you will need to look after, okay, if you actually want to enter the trade as a newbie and make a lot of money. You can actually start this with $10 and you grow up to $1,000. Okay, also remember, it's a game of patience. Okay, you need to be patient. So join my free class. The link is down below.